Friends, in this lecture, let us discuss how to solve a 2 by 2 game with no saddle point. So, in this case, let us generalize the solution. Now, let the payoff matrix is given as this one. There are two players, and each player has two strategies. So, while solving this kind of problems, we observe there is the no saddle point. So, if there is no saddle point, then each of the player is applying various probabilities to each of the strategies. So the outcome we have to denote there as the value of game. So these type of games are called as mixed strategy games. So how to solve this kind of mixed strategy games we will discuss in this lecture. Now say the each player plays with the certain set of probabilities. Now let us assume here player A plays the strategy 1 with the probability x. Friends, let player A select the strategy 1 with the probability x and strategy 2 with probability 1 minus x. So therefore we know that the sum of probabilities, that is x plus 1 minus x, sum of probabilities of the player A should be 1, as we know that if there are many possibilities for a player, then the sum of probabilities should be 1. So similarly, let us say player B, let player B select strategy 1, his strategy 1 with probability y and strategy 2 with probability 1 minus y. So therefore sum of probabilities y plus 1 minus y should be equal to 1. So here we are interested to determine the values of x and y so that we can find out the value of game as. So how to find out value of game? Value of game phi, as there is a formula a11 into x plus a21 into 1 minus x. So it will give us the value of game, that is the gain of player A. Here we assume that the opponent player B uses the strategy 1 throughout. Suppose the player B uses the strategy 2 throughout, then the value of game will be a12x plus a22 into 1 minus x. So value of game does not change if a strategy is played throughout. Similarly, if the player A uses the strategy 1 throughout, then the value of game will be a11 into y plus a12 into 1 minus y. Here player A plays with the strategy 1 throughout, or if the player B uses the strategy 2 throughout, then the outcome or value of game will be a21 plus a22 into 1 minus y. So these are the ways we can find out the value of game. So how to find out easily these values of x and y? So we can study now with the certain set of rules. Friends, let us discuss the certain set of rules to solve a 2 by 2 game with no saddle point. that is the mixed strategy game. So there are certain rules. First rule is we have to calculate the row difference for each row. First we have to calculate the row difference for each row. Then we have to determine the ratio. So that ratio is nothing but the row difference upon the sum of row differences as denominator. So once we get the ratios, then just we have to interchange the ratios for both the rows so that we get the value of x and 1 minus x. So let us see in the example next. And to determine the values of y and 1 minus y, we have to repeat the steps. These steps we have to repeat for the columns. We have to repeat the steps from 1 to 3 for the opponent, and then we can calculate the value of game as we have seen previously by using the formula v equal to a11 into x plus a21 into 1 minus x. It will give us the value of games. There are many formula we have seen. Here we assume that the opponent player B uses the strategy 1 throughout. So if we look at the outcomes as previously we noted, so let us repeat this formula here. So here we assume that the player B uses the strategy 1 throughout. So if the player B uses the strategy 2 throughout, then this formula will be a1 to x plus a22 into 1 minus x, right? So suppose player A now uses the strategy 1 throughout, then the value of game can be written as a11 into y plus a12 into 1 minus y. Or if the player A uses the strategy 2 throughout, then the value of game can be written as a21 into y plus a22 into 1 minus y. So by using any one of the formula, we can calculate the value of game. Now let us see this with respect to example, but I would like to here show how to determine the differences. So suppose there is a matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. Suppose this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So how to find out the row differences? So we have to use here these differences as first row difference will be here in this way, that is a11 minus a12. This is the row difference for first row, and for second row the row difference is calculated as a22 minus a21. So this is the way to calculate the row differences. And to determine the column differences, let us see how to calculate column differences. I repeat the above matrix here, a21, a22. So these are the four elements of a 2 by 2 matrix. So to determine the column differences, we have to use the differences in this way: a11 minus a21, and for second column difference it will be a22 minus a12. So in this way we have to find out the differences. For row differences we will use this formula, and column differences we will use this kind of differences. Friends, now let us solve this example. This is a 2 by 2 game, 2 persons, 0 sum game. So there are the two strategies for each of the players. Now let us check first whether there is a saddle point. If you look here, maximin and minimax principles. So along the rows we have to find out the minimum values, and along the columns we have to find out the maximum values. So by using the minimax and maximum principles, we are not getting here saddle point. So you can cross check here. Let us draw a circle for row minimum values. For row minimum values, let us draw a circle for each of the rows, and for column maximum values, let us draw a square around it. So there is no coincidence of a circle and square, so there is no saddle point in this game. Now how to find out the solution to these games? Let us go with our strategies. So first step we'll apply here. Let us find out the row difference and column difference. So let us find out first row difference. So for finding out the row difference, let us start from this element and take the row difference for first row. So here the difference is 3. 7 minus 4, difference is 3. So difference is 3. 7 minus 4, 3. Now for this is for first row difference. For second row difference, we have to take the difference as A22 minus A21. So here difference is 1. Now let us find out column differences. We have to start from this element and write the difference. 7 minus 5, A11 minus A21, difference here is 2, and here difference will be 6 minus 4, A22 minus A12, so difference is here 2. So we found out here the differences, row differences and column differences. Now let us take the ratios. Ratios will be the difference upon sum of differences. So here first ratio will be here 2 upon sum of these two differences, that is 4. So it will be 1 by 2. Similarly here the ratio will be 2 upon sum of differences. So if you take the ratio, it will be 1 by 2. And then we have to interchange the ratios. We have to interchange the ratios. So it will give us the value of y and 1 minus y here. So value of y will be here 1 by 2, and here 1 minus y value will be 1 by 2. So we get the probabilities of strategies for player B. We get here these probabilities of strategies 1 and 2 for player B respectively. So similarly let us find out ratios here. So ratio here first ratio will be difference upon sum of differences. So that is 3 upon differences, sum of differences will be 4, and then here it will be 1 upon sum of these differences 4. So these are the ratios, and then let us interchange. So we get the values of x and 1 minus x here for player A. These are the probabilities. So probability here will be 1 by 4, and here this ratio will be 3 by 4. Now if you observe here, sum of probabilities will be 1. Similarly here sum of probabilities is 1. So this is the way we can calculate the probabilities for each of the strategies for each player. Now let us find out the value of game V. Value of game V equal to, we have a formula, either you can remember or you can use other way to determine the value of game. I write here formula we have written previously, A11 into x plus A21 into 1 minus x. So it gives us a1 element is 7 into x probability, value of x 1 by 4, plus a21 element is 5 into 1 minus x value is 3 by 4. So it gives us value of game as 7 by 4 plus 5 into 3 by 4. Therefore v equal to 7 plus 15, that is 22 by 4, that is nothing but 11 by 2. So this is the value of game for given matrix. And let us write optimal strategies now. Optimal strategies for player A with the probabilities will be 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Similarly, for player B, the optimal strategies will be with the respect to probabilities 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So let us write at the last. So friends, let us write the optimal strategies for player A. For player A, what are the probabilities for strategy 1 and 2 respectively? Let us write here 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Similarly, for player B, optimal strategies with respect to probabilities, we have to write here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 respectively. So we require this answer, value of game and the optimal strategy for each player. So I hope you understood the concept of solving a 2 by 2 game with no saddle point. Thank you.